Sa video natin today, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano magset up ng automated SMS and email sequences sa loob ng Go High Level without using any code or complicated integrations. If you've ever wanted to follow up automatically pagkatapos may mag-book ng call, mag-sign up for freebies mo, or mag-fill out ng form sa website mo, this tutorial is gonna walk you through exactly how to make that happen. What's up you guys? Ako si Ashley at pagdating sa dulo ng video na to, meron ka ng fully working automation that sends texts and emails on autopilot. Kahit offline ka o nakafocus ka sa ibang ginagawa mo, kung hindi ka pa familiar sa Go High Level, it's an all-in-one marketing and CRM platform that helps you manage leads, appointments, at campaigns mo sa isang place lang. You can build landing pages, mag-track ng pipelines, mag-set up ng automations, basically halos lahat ng kailangan mo para mag-run ng small business or coaching brand without juggling 10 different tools. What makes Go High Level so powerful is the automation builder. It lets you create automated actions that trigger when someone fills out a form, nag-book ng call, or even make a purchase. You can send text reminders, follow-up emails, o kahit gumawa ng buong nurture sequence. And the best part is you don't need to write a single line of code. Madali lang talaga siyang i-navigate. Before we jump into the walkthrough, may ilang importanteng bagay muna na dapat mong malaman about automation inside Go High Level. Una, everything runs off triggers. So, ang trigger ay isang event tulad ng may nag-submit ng form, may nag-run ng campaign, or kahit may nag-tag bilang lead. Once that event happens, your automation starts running automatically. Pangalawa, you can mix different types of actions tulad ng nagpapadala ng text, email, and voicemail drop o pagsasign ng tao sa pipeline mo. Pinapadali nito na gumawa ng multi-setup workflows that handle all of your follow-ups for you. Pangatlo, may built-in email and SMS tools na ang Go High Level so you don't need to integrate separate services tulad ng MailChimp o kung ano pa man. Everything connects directly to your contacts and your CRM. At panghuli, visual ang automations. Pwede mong i-drag and drop bawat step, reorder them, and adjust timing all from a single screen. Okay, ngayon simulan natin yung step-by-step kung paano gawin to. Kung wala ka pang Go High Level account, may link kami sa baba kung saan pwede kang makakuha ng extended free trial. Kaya 30 days siya, imbes na normal na 14, kailangan mo lang gawin, i-click yung link sa baba, then you can just click start an extended free trial. Tapos tatanungin ka ng pangalan mo, company name, email, and phone number. Sa step 2, kailangan mo talagang ilagay yung credit card mo, but it won't charge you until the 30 days is up. So again, make sure you're not accidentally getting charged kung sa tingin mo hindi pa to best fit para sa'yo. Okay, pagpasok mo para bigyan ka ng konting tour, ito na yung dashboard natin dito. Dito, makikita mo yung opportunity status mo, yung funnels mo, yung stage distribution, lahat ng task, at pwede mo pang i-customize lahat ng to. Tapos meron din tayong conversations. Dito mo pwedeng i-funnel lahat ng conversations mo sa isang lugar lang. May calendars din sila, kaya pwede kang gumawa ng booking types at direkta mag-send ng clarity calls or sales calls sa client. Kahit sa automated sequence, nandito lahat ng contacts mo. Pwede ka rin gumawa ng smart list. At ito naman yung pipeline mo. Pwede kang gumawa ng multiple pipelines. You can even see the opportunity value by assigning that and so much more. At ito naman yung sections para sa payments, kaya gusto mong integrate yung Stripe or PayPal mo kahit ano man ang gamit mo. Tapos makikita mo rin kung saan yung invoices mo. Nasa drafts ba, due, receive, at iba pa. May AI agents din sila. Meron silang marketing tools tulad ng emails, social planner, at iba pa. At saka yung mga automation na yun yung pag-uusapan natin today. Okay, so meron tayong websites, funnels, client portal, blog, at membership site. So what we're gonna go ahead and do first is go ahead and navigate to automations. I-click natin yung create workflow. Pwede tayong magsimula from scratch. Meron din silang maraming templates dito na pwede mong tignan kung gusto mo. But we're gonna go ahead and create one from scratch for now. Kaya ngayon ang gagawin natin ay mag-add ng trigger. Siguro i-click natin yung form submitted. Siyempre kailangan nakakreate na yung form mo. Okay? Tapos mag-add tayo ng filter para malaman kung aling form to. So form ay marketing form. Siguro gumawa tayo ng lead magnet and we'll go ahead and select that one. Other triggers are maybe if someone got tagged something, kaya kung may tag, ulitin natin, siguraduhin mo na may tag talaga doon. At siguro may na-add na tag at yun ay, alam mo yun, someone bought your daily planner, okay? Kaya pwede ka magkaroon ng multiple triggers sa parehong workflow o pwede ka lang may isa. Para i-delete, click mo lang yung delete dito, tapos gagawin mo naman ay gumawa ng first action mo. Kaya ang gagawin natin is select natin yung SMS. send SMS. Amazing. Meron ditong mga templates na pwede mong gawin. Pero yung SMS 1, pangalanan natin yung action na yon para lang makita mo ha. Tapos piliin natin yung ganitong setup. Siguro ito ay kapag may magbubook ng call o kapag may nag-sign up at nakakuha ng discount sa isang bagay at gusto mo silang i-text. Pwede mo sabihin, hey, insert contact first name dito. Ito ang discount code mo. 'Di ba? At siguro gusto mo ng soft CTA tulad ng, alam mo yun, gagamitin na lang natin ng coaching bilang example. Siguro meron kang smart planner na gusto mong bigyan sila ng discount at yun ang purpose ng form na yun. Karamihan na nag-fill out, makakuha sila ng 10% off kaya pwede mong sabihin, hey, ito ang discount code mo, whatever. At makakuha sila ng discount kung nag-sign up sila sa, alam mo yun, SMS and email. Okay, tapos pwede mong i-click yung save action. Tapos siguro, next, gusto nating mag-add ng email. Kaya i-click natin yung send email, kailangan natin ilagay yung from name, kaya kahit ano ang pangalan mo, email and subject line. So now maybe we'll move into more of a welcome sequence. Okay, nakuha na nila yung discount, official na silang nasa email at SMS system natin, kaya siguro itong welcome sequence natin. Pwede nating sabihin, hey, first name, welcome sa XYZ, I'm so happy you're here. This is like who you are and what your mission is. Konting introduction lang, okay? Email 1. Mission at kung sino ka, okay? Madalas sinasabi nila yung PS, kung gusto mong mag-book ng clarity call, itong link. Okay. Pwede mong ilagay yung booking link mo diretso dito. Ito yung clarity call booking page, new window. Siyempre, pwede mo itong i-customize. Okay? Maglagay ng konting soft CTA, then maybe we wanna send. Oh, almost forgot. We need to add the waiting. So, we'll add a time delay. Siguro mga 2 days. Kailangan talagang maging aware ka sa waiting periods, lalo na sa text. Ang text kasi ay nakikita agad ng lahat, pero pwede rin ma-overwhelm ang mga tao at madalas silang mag-unsubscribe. If you go overboard with the texting, so ngayon mag-wait tayo ng 1 araw para doon. Cool, siguro mag-wait tayo ng 2 araw pa. Now we can go ahead and add an SMS like, hey, insert, just again with this. Pwede mo lang sabihin ng konti tungkol sa sarili mo and sabihin, kung gusto mong mag-book ng free clarity call, i-click mo lang dito. Gusto kitang makilala. Diba? Okay, pwede mong i-click ulit yung save. You can go ahead and add a wait. Siguro mag-send tayo ng second email. Siguro ito ay tungkol sa, alam mo yun, kung bakit mo sinimula ng brand mo or pwede rin 5 tips para sa XYZ kahit anuman ang coaching mo. Diba? 5 tips, okay? Ulitin ko, pwede kang gumawa ng marami o konti lang kung gusto mo, pero ang point dito ay kaya mong gawin lahat ng to sa isang lugar lang. Ang powerful nito, pwede kang gumawa ng multiple triggers. Like I said, you can create multiple SMS and email all in one. Ang powerful talaga nito. Pwede mo tong gawin para sa lahat, diba? Like if someone books an appointment or a clarity call with you, then you come in here and create, mag-setup din ng automations. Okay, great. Trigger, form submitted o call book, tapos amazing. Ito na yung automated booking, diba? Like confirming, then so maybe someone books a call and then you wanna send automated messages first. Tama, kaya pwede kang gumawa mula sa template and we can say appointment confirmation and reminder, diba? Ito na, hindi mo na kailangan i-customize yon from scratch. Ito may isang email, sabi confirmation email, diba? Hey, na-confirm na yung appointment mo. Sabihin mo lang kung may tanong ka in the meantime. Okay, time delay, 24 hours bago ang appointment. Ang galing, diba? Parang friendly reminder lang. 24 hours, 1 hour SMS, tapos ito, 5 minutes bago yung actual event. 5-minute email reminder, tapos 5-minute SMS ulit. It's so powerful because you can have everything in one place. Malapit na maging ready yung automation mo. Ang kailangan mo lang gawin ay i-move ito mula sa draft papuntang publish at ready na siya. At kagana siya sa back-end kahit natutulog ka o nakafocus ka sa ibang bagay. I would always recommend testing everything, so enter your own email and phone number to make sure everything sends correctly. Dapat matatanggap mo yung SMS and email exactly as written, kasama yung pangalan mo or placeholders. Pinalitan na ulit yung totoong info. Pagtapos nun, i-click mo lang yung publish at live na yung automation mo. Ngayon na naiintindihan mo na exactly paano gamitin ang automations, let's talk about the pros and cons. Ikaw ang magdedesisyon kung worth ba yung Go High Level para sa oras at pera mo. Yung pinakamalaking pro ng Go High Level automations at kung gaano nagko-connect lahat. You can manage forms, emails, SMS, pipelines, and booking calendars all in one place. Yung follow-up process mo smooth para sa'yo at sa client mo. May full control ka rin sa timing and personalization. Ikaw ang nagde-decide kung kailan magsasend yung message, what they say, and who receives them. Flexible pero simple enough para sa beginners. Isa pang malaking advantage ay yung no-code setup. Lahat ay visual, pinagsistock mo lang yung actions at ina-adjust yung timing. Tungkol naman sa downsides, ang pinaka-main ay medyo overwhelming siya kapag first mong binuksan ng automation dashboard. Maraming options talaga. At yung flexibility niya, minsan nakakalito kung saan ka mag-uumpisa. Pero good news, kapag nakabuild ka na ng isa o dalawang automations, madaling na siyang maiintindihan agad. Isa pang maliit na con ay medyo basic yung email editor ng Go High Level kumpara sa full email marketing tools. Okay naman siya para sa simple sequences and reminders, pero kung gusto mo ng detailed templates na may fancy layouts, mas gusto kong i-design yun sa Canva and then importing those visuals. Okay, ngayon tungkol sa different plans and pricing options, meron silang ilang options dito. Nandun yung starter, unlimited, at SAS Pro. Yung starter ay $97 per month at makaka-access ka sa lahat ng pinapakita ko. Yung booking, pipeline, social calendar, website builder, lahat ng automations. At makakakuha ka ng unlimited contacts and users. You also can set up 3 sub-accounts, tapos meron tayong unlimited plan na $297 per month. Dito makukuha mo lahat ng nasa starter plan. Pero yung pinaka-difference, unlimited ang sub-accounts na pwede mong gawin. So you can create as many as you need, makakuha ka pa rin ng API access at branded desktop app. Tapos meron tayong SAS Pro na lahat ng nasa unlimited plan pero may SAS mode na automatic ang paggawa ng sub-accounts. Pwede rin yung rebuilding enabled, kaya kung gusto mo lang gumawa ng sarili mong website, baka solo entrepreneur ka and just need automations for your small business specifically, kaya perfect yung starter plan para sa'yo. Dapat mo bang piliin ang Go High Level para sa lahat ng automations mo? Kung handa ka na makatipid ng oras at tuluyan ng tigilan ang manual follow-up sa leads, Go High Level is an amazing choice. Sobrang useful din to lalo na kung ginagamit mo to para sa landing pages or bookings kasi direct na nagko-connect yung automations mo sa forms and calendars mo. Ibig sabihin, kaya mong patakbuhin ang buong client communication flow mo nang hindi nag-change ng tools. If you want a simple way to build that system without touching code or relying on outside tools, Go High Level ay isa sa pinaka-best na mga platforms. Sa personal note, alam ko, automations can sound so intimidating at first, but once you set them up, it's honestly life-changing. You can focus on your work while Go High Level handles the follow-ups, reminders, at mga client communications para sa'yo. Kung gusto mo subukan makuha ito ng extended free trial, gamitin mo yung link namin sa baba. Gusto ko lang din i-mention na affiliate link sa mga to, which means we may earn a small commission pero wala namang extra cost from you. Kaya kung pipiliin mong gamitin yung links namin, sobrang thank you sa'yo in advance sa pagsuporta sa channel namin. It really helps us continue to create free tutorials just like this. Just like that, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel if you aren't already, and of course, mag-iwan ng comments or questions below. Gusto naming makarinig mula sa inyo. Ang channel na to ay dedicated sa pagtulong sa beginners para makabuo ng websites, automations, and online systems that actually save time and make money kahit hindi ka tech expert. So maraming salamat sa panonood at kita-kits sa susunod na video.